Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm looking a little bit rough. I'm not feeling the best, but I just wanted to share with you my no makeup look that I wear pretty much every day at the moment. This is like my ultimate no makeup. I really don't think you can tell that I'm wearing makeup, but I look significantly better with this stuff on my face than I do right now. So I'm just gonna hop straight into this and show you what I do. Okay, so I've been starting off by using the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Hydrating Foundation Stick in the shade Ginger number 6. I've talked about this on my channel before. I love it so much. It literally just looks like skin. I like their original tinted hydrating gel cream as well, but this is less glowy. I'd say that one would be great if you have like dry skin, but maybe if you have oily skin, this is a good one. I like to use both, and I've just been using the Bare Minerals Smoothing Face Brush to blend that in, and you'll be able to see like how much does that just look like my skin, but better and like more evened out. I absolutely love this stuff as well. It's SPF 30, I think. SPF 25, that's so good. And this lasts all day as well. I will never get over how much this actually just looks like my skin though. I mean, look at that. Next, I'll just apply a little bit of concealer. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way in light medium, and I just apply a tiny bit to any spot. I've got like one random spot on my jaw, my period's due. Do any of you guys get that bit of hormonal acne there? I can't really complain. I literally have one spot. My skin used to be like so bad, and I just cover up those dark circles. I try not to apply too much concealer, but I like any blemishes and stuff just to be like covered out. Guys, I'd love it if you would leave me a comment and let me know if there are any specific videos that you would like me to film, because I've been having a little bit of a mental block at the moment. I always feel a bit like that when my period's due. I feel like so lethargic and just like I don't really want to do anything. Do you guys get like that as well? It's so annoying. This is the type of makeup look I will always wear if my period's due, or if I can't be bothered, or if I'm just in a rush, because it's just so easy. This literally takes me a minute to do. I mean, obviously it'll take me longer in this video because I'm chatting through it, but generally it literally takes me like a minute. And then I'll apply a little bit of blush. So I was sent this one last week and I've really been liking it since. It's their Nudies Matte All Over Blush colour in the shade Sunset Strip, and I literally just put this on like this. No, it looks a bit scary, but then I just kind of like blend it in with my fingers. When I'm going for a natural makeup look, I really like kind of stick products, cream products. I don't really use a lot of powder products, although I do set my makeup, and then I bring a little bit of this onto my temples and on my nose, a little bit on my chin, and I just feel like that wakes my face up. I love it. And onto my favourite product ever for a natural glow. I love this. This is the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. It's like magic in a bottle. It comes in different shades. I use the shade 3 Light Medium, and you can use this in so many different ways. You can use it like underneath your foundation. You can use it over the top. I like to just pop a little bit on the high points of my face. I don't tend to like use this all over, although I know some people like to use it kind of all over their face underneath their foundation, but I feel like I just look a little bit greasy if I do that. But I love just kind of using it on the high points. Also, if your skin is ever looking a little bit dull, or like you're a bit ill or hungover, or your period's due or anything like that, this is such a miracle product. Like, I love that, and it looks so natural, but like, oh, I think it makes your skin look just naturally healthy, and I love that. Like, Look at that, I love it so, so much. And then because I do have combination skin, I'm just going to set that down with powder. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder, but I only use a small amount of powder and I don't go over the areas that I want to stay glowy. I do set my eyelids so that they don't crease, and I just tend to keep it in like, well, I was going to say the centre of my face, but I'm literally covering, I cover like the bottom half of my face, like my jaw, a little bit around my nose and my chin, and just a little bit kind of in the centre of the forehead. And that just keeps this in place like all day. I'm one of these people where I just have to fill out my eyebrows because they are like quite sparse in places, and I just like to comb through them first. On the daily, I don't use like a pomade or anything. I only use pomades if I'm going for a heavy makeup look. But on the daily, I've got a few different brow pencils that I like. I've been using the Sigma Fill and Blend brow pencil recently in the shade Dark, and I really like this. It's just such a good match for my brow colour. It's a really sort of cool toned dark brown. It's almost kind of greyish, if that makes sense. And I just, honestly, I just go through my brow and kind of fill in any sparse patches. There's really no method to my madness at all. And then I just set them in place with a brow gel. I usually use Glossier's Boy Brow, but recently I've started using the Colourpop Brow Boss gel. I really like this. I also use the Anastasia one. I use a Sigma one. Like, I'm really not fussy. There's a few that I really like. Those are the ones that I really like, but this is really good as well. And I always use the shade Dark. I never really use a clear one. I just like that added colour. And then to finish my eyes off, I've got a couple of tricks. I don't wear mascara with this look because I just want it to look like I'm not wearing any makeup. But to make my eyes look a little bit bigger, I do use the Anastasia Pro Pencil. I think mine's, oh, it's in the shade 1. I thought it was in the shade 2, but I just run this along my waterline just to brighten my eyes up a little bit, make me look a bit more awake. And then I get an extremely blunt pencil because I'm so lazy and I don't sharpen them. This one's by Buxom. It's the Hold the Line waterproof eyeliner in the shade Call Me. I really like this one. I just kind of like flick out the edges and then I really tightly run this along my lash line. It just kind of makes my lashes appear a little bit thicker and it makes my eyes appear a little bit more elongated, and then I just kind of dot this along my lower lash line. Leave me a comment, let me know if you think this little trick works. I use my trusty MAC Soar lip pencil. It's literally like a Your Lips but better shade for me. And I slightly overline them, but not so much to where it's obvious, because that would be weird. Wearing no makeup but lipstick, we don't want the lipstick to give it away, do we? And then I just kind of drag this down onto my lips to give them a little bit more colour. And then this next step isn't really necessary, I just do it sometimes, but I go over the top sometimes with Charlotte Tilbury Amazing Grace lipstick. I literally just pat this on. Again, it's just a really kind of natural pink shade, and it also wears off really nicely. It wears off like a Your Lips but better colour, which I really like. And then I finish it off by using a little bit of the Glossier Rosebalm.com. This is just like a go-to for me. It goes on top of a lot of my lipsticks. I just really like putting a balm on top of lipsticks, to be honest. That is literally my everyday no makeup. Does it look like I'm wearing no makeup? I hope it does. It's so simple to do. I think that these products work so well together. I love the way they look. I love the way that they all last on the skin as well. But yeah, like I said, if there are any videos that you guys want to see from me, I would absolutely love it if you would leave them in the description box below so that I can do them for you. Be sure to give the video a cheeky little thumbs up as well, guys, if you enjoyed it, and I'll hopefully see you in my next one. Bye!